Hi, everybody. This is the assignment number 5, The Legend of Zelda, the boat update. In this assignment, we'll be starting from a basic game, The Legend of Zelda game, and we'll be adding some features that have been requested by the assignment itself. We'll be implementing basically 3 new features. The first one is implementing hearts that sometimes drop from vanquished enemies at random. So these hearts will heal the player for a full heart when picked up randomly. So let's get started. Press enter. Try to kill some enemies and wait for the hearts to be dropped randomly. So in this case, this enemy dropped a heart. Let's try to lose some health and pick this heart, which results in healing the player for a full heart when picked up. The second feature is adding pots to the game world, and these are the pots in the room. So 3 pots that the player can pick up and use as a weapon. So if we press a button, in this case, return, the player picks up the pot and can use it as a weapon. The third feature is about the behavior that the player has while carrying the pot. So the player should be able to throw the pot, and in that case, the pot will travel in a straight line based on where the player is looking. And when it collides with a wall or travels more than 4 tiles or collides with an enemy, it should disappear. So if we try to throw the pot against the wall, it disappears. Hits enemy, it disappears as well. And if it travels more than 4 tiles, it disappears as well. We can try. We are. Okay. And these are all the features that I implemented. So thanks for watching.